guys, I'm going to do tips and tricks part 3. Let's get into it. Okay, so right here, you want to slide down here in mountains. Then you could jump up here and take another jump. Then you could slide onto the ice and then you could jump. Then I normally run up here. And then you can jump on that ice, but right here, this is how I do it. If you're trying to get on top of a target, just like that, you want to try to curve your hands while you're trying to wall surf. Like it's like a curve. So let me explain how to wall surf, and if you don't know how to wall surf. So basically, this is where I trained right here. You want to go. I did it with Rock Monkey. I don't know how to do it without Rock Monkey. I'll just like that. Okay. So right here, you could do it. If you want to curve your hand, just. And then some people, you can jump onto here, pinch climb right up there, and then, yeah, you could do that in mountains. Tips and tricks.
Hello?
Wait, what? Hello?
Who's this?
I'm kind of filming right now. I'm a YouTuber.
What, you're filming?
Yeah.
Can I be in it?
Yeah, right.
What are you filming? Hello?
Just a tips and tricks video in mountains.
These are my friends. This is my friend with top hat. He's a very nice guy.
Okay.
Are you Blue Beach Hat's friend?
No, I'm not him.
But you're his
No.
friend?
No, I'm not his friend.
Hello? Okay.
Hello?
Can we be in your bed?
I mean,
Can we?
sure.